How's it going, guys? Today my wife had an idea that I could replace my PETG motor mounts with some metal mounts, and so I cut these out of a one of these cases from a DVD drive. I have a bunch from a while ago, and so I cut them out with a grinder, an angle grinder, and drilled a bunch of holes in them. And so I'm using these now instead of these PETG motor mounts that I designed and printed. You can see here that these are melted pretty bad. They're warped, and yeah, they're melted pretty bad. Which means that these motors had to have been somewhere around 250 degrees Celsius or about 500 Fahrenheit in order to melt those, which is kind of surprising. So I'm still working on them a little bit. I need to shave off. I just finished drilling them and it's kind of late at night, so I don't want to turn the grinder on again and wake up all the neighbors. But yeah, I still have to just shave off some of those little parts of metal on it. But it's looking pretty good. So I also need to change up. I need to just tune it with the PID tuning on multi-wii, so I'm working on that. And of course I still have my PX4 Pixhawk, which I haven't quite tried out yet. It's right here. Flight controller. Cost me like 260 bucks, and I haven't even really used it. I'm excited about it. I just haven't quite figured it out yet because I've been just, I guess, trying to solidify this drone first. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. Hopefully, I will have a video of it flying for you tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and turn on the bell icon, and like the video, so I know that you want to see that. And thanks to you guys so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.